Hello and welcome. I'm Lo, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on working in rainy conditions. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Rain can be an unanticipated danger in many work sites, and it is important that employees are aware of general safe practices when working in or around the rain. This lesson will briefly go over the hazards of working in the rain, safe work practices, and driving in the rain. Weather will present different hazards depending on the nature of the job. It is very important to be aware of the hazards that rain presents because it increases the chance of accidents, especially in outdoor work areas. Rainy conditions in your work area may cause slippery surfaces, reduced grip on tools or other objects, an increased danger around electrical energy sources, overspill of sewage systems, trench cave-ins or flooding, strong winds that can reduce the structural integrity of scaffolds, destabilize heavy equipment such as cranes, and cause dust and other small debris to fly around. And lastly, lightning strikes. Even though you cannot control the rain, there are some steps that can be taken to protect your safety. Please keep these in mind as you work, so if you encounter rain while you're working, you can continue to do so safely. Employees should move cautiously. The weather may tempt you to...
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.